Is your PS4 controller not connecting to your PlayStation? Many users think their controller is broken, but most of the time the problem is very simple. Let me show you how to fix the PS4 controller connection problem step by step. First, make sure the controller is fully charged. Most users try to connect the controller when the battery is completely empty, and then they get the error that the controller is not connecting to the PlayStation. A new PS4 controller usually needs 40 to 60 minutes to fully charge. Once fully charged, the battery normally lasts 3 to 4 hours, depending on the game you are playing. Step 2. The PS4 controller requires a micro USB cable to connect to the console for the first time. Turn on the console, connect one end of the USB cable to the PlayStation console and other end to the PS4 controller. Press the PS button on the controller. You will see a light flashing on the controller. Press the PS button again, and the controller will connect. Once connected, you will see a solid blue light on the controller, which means the controller is successfully connected. Step 3. If the controller still does not connect, you may need to reset it to factory settings. Turn off the PlayStation console, flip the controller and look near the L2 button. You will see a small tiny reset hole. Use a paper clip and insert it into the hole. Press and hold the button inside for 10 seconds. Now reconnect the controller using the USB cable, turn on the console, and press the PS button again. Hopefully, this time your controller will work perfectly. Final solution. If your controller still does not connect, the problem may be hardware related. In that case, you should contact the Sony Repair Center, where their engineers can properly check and repair the controller. If this video helped you fix your PS4 controller, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PlayStation tips and tricks. And tell me in the comments, did your controller start working again?